Adobe Acrobat Pro review. In this video, we're going to review Adobe Acrobat Pro. Adobe Acrobat Pro is a powerful tool that gives you a complete control over your PDFs. You can fix typos, change fonts, swap crop image, add annotation, and make other edits easily. It allows you to create professional looking documents, maintain consistency across your work, and even combine multiple files into a single PDF. One of the key features is optical character recognition, which makes it simple to turn scanned documents into fully searchable and editable PDF fast. This is especially useful for digitalizing paper documents, extracting information quickly, and saving time when working with scanned files. Acrobat Pro also helps speed up e-signature workflows. You can request e-signatures, track their status, set reminders, and even automate follow-ups, which keeps work flowing smoothly and reduces delays and approvals. It also integrates with cloud storage services, making it easy to access, share, collaborate on documents from anywhere. Adobe Acrobat offers several plans to suit different needs. Acrobat Reader is free for viewing PDF files, but for advanced editing and features, Acrobat Pro costs $19.99 per month. It might be different in different regions, while Acrobat Studio costs $24.99 per month. For business use, Acrobat Pro for Teams is available at $23.99 per month, and Acrobat Studio for Teams costs $29.99 per month. Overall, Adobe Acrobat Pro is ideal for individuals and businesses that need advanced PDF editing, easy e-signature management, and tools to make scanned documents fully usable. It is especially helpful for professionals who handle contracts, reports, and forms regularly, allowing them to save time, improve productivity, and maintain a high level of document quality. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.